Hey y'all, Brenda here from the Pop-Up Homestead. Just wanted to share a little bit of our day with you. Look at that. We have one heck of a storm that was supposed to be coming this way. They were calling for severe thunderstorms and possible tornado, but if you look, I feel like it just slipped right past us and we're going to be okay. But that is still one heck of a storm. And leading up to this storm that I do believe missed us, I pray it missed us, we had high winds here all day today. With the high winds, we had all kinds of stuff. It was some day. Over there, that is, yeah, you guessed it, that's our one-car garage. It blew right off its foundation where it was sitting, and it blew into the truck. And Sean and our neighbor were able to get the tarp off of it because it was like a sail, and it was flying around and knocked them over. And then the tarp behind our house that you know, we do the rainwater catchment in, that came down, and luckily it was sunny and windy, so all our stuff was exposed to the weather, and even though it was exposed, we didn't get any rain. So needless to say, we had to make a point of going back there and fixing that because we were supposed to be getting this storm. Now we'll probably still get some rain. There's some rain clouds coming around here, but I think that was the big one that's just kind of leaving out. So the tarp in the back, the grommets broke. We're going to have a hard time catching rainwater. Yeah, it was just a very long day. And it's definitely not over. So, little update from the Pop-Up Homestead. I know we haven't checked in a while. Food Forest is doing pretty good. See those plastic tiles out there? Those all blew up in the wind also. So we kind of have them stacked with pots on top of them to hold them down. And we've just been, as they say, batting down the hatches here, trying to get ready for a storm, and of course, watching the puppies play. They play really great together. It's very cute. So, alright, this is Brenda, just checking in from the Pop-Up Homestead. Hope you all stay safe, and have a great week. Take care.